Hey, how's it going, guys? Jackson here at Toasted DIY, and today I'm going to be showing you the exhaust system on my 2005 Toyota Tacoma with the 2.7 liter in it. Let's get it. So like I said, this one's a 2005, but basically any 2.7 liter is going to sound pretty similar to this if you have the same type of exhaust configuration because, well, as long as it's not like a California model, they all have the same amount of catalytic converters and everything like that. So basically all that's been done to this is the exhaust is completely stock, but it has a 5x8 18-inch Magnaflow muffler on it straight through, and it's stainless steel. Had it actually welded by Bluegrass Muffler in Louisville, so check them out if you want to have some work done. But let's go ahead and start it up and see how it sounds. Okay, so you guys just got to hear a test of the 5-speed manual on the Tacoma outside of it. So now let's go ahead and do some driving and see what it sounds like from in the car. First, we're just going to do windows down, just basic city type driving, and then we'll do a couple of pulls in this very fast 4-cylinder car. All right, so we're just going to drive around the parking lot here. Like I said, windows are down, so there's probably going to be some wind noise. Like I said, the Tacoma is pretty much stock. It's just a 5-speed with a 2.7 liter. We do have the Magnaflow stainless steel muffler installed. Catalytic converters are still on. I'm not sure if there's one or two or not, but there's no resonator or anything as far as I'm aware. So just the cat and the muffler. Drone's actually really not that bad. Like on the highway, of course, it's around 2,500, 3,000 RPM. There definitely is a little bit, but it's not bad. It's definitely bearable. But as far as just normal driving goes, if you're not really getting on it or anything, it's actually fairly quiet. There is times, of course, where I wish it was a little bit quieter, like it's laid out or something like that, but any other time, though, it sounds pretty good. Yeah, like I said, for a 4-cylinder truck, it's definitely not super slow, but it is. It probably has like a 10-second 0 to 60, so it definitely is slow in that regard. But let's go ahead and actually roll the windows up and see how that sounds. All right, so now we have the windows up. We're getting more of a basically the quietest scenario. So like I said, I'm just cruising through the parking lot going about 20 to 25. I'm in third gear right now, only at about 1,500 RPM. So honestly, like I said, if you're not really getting on the throttle, it doesn't sound much louder than stock. One thing I did just think about though is that I do have a K&N air filter. It's not actually a cold air one or anything. It still goes in the stock air box. It's literally just one of their high flow, in quotations, washable filters. So, besides that, like I said, the engine should be basically stock. So, like I said though, with windows up, like for winter driving and stuff, it's definitely really quiet, or if you just have the AC on in the summertime. I'm more of a windows down person anyways, but a lot of the noise that you hear is honestly engine noise. The actual exhaust, like I said, is really not that loud, but once we get around this corner here, I'll actually try to kind of get on it again. So that was almost 4,000 RPM there, which really in a truck like this, you're not gonna go much past, but definitely has a nice super sound to it. But yeah, so like I said, I'm really happy with the exhaust. I'm glad I did not go louder, and I'm honestly pretty glad I didn't go too much quieter, because honestly, if it was much quieter, I think it would be almost unhearable. All right, so as we're leaving this parking lot, we're just gonna do one last little quicker pull in a little bit higher speeds here. Alright, so that was just third gear, shifting at about 3,200-ish RPM. Like I said, it's a really comfortable truck to drive. I really do love the 5-speed on this. And that has about 145,000 miles on it and still literally runs like a brand new Tacoma. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.